So next na tong i-create class will be the rod, no? This part, no? Of the whole lighting fixture, no? This one. So 0.30 in terms of height, no? And then thickness, that's 0.02, no? Okay? So we have already created the lighting fixture, no? Minus the rod, no? So click this one class, no? Southeast, no? Okay, here, no? So on the side class, no? Sa kilid, you make a circle, no? See, because it's a Radman. Enter. Click anywhere. Then 0.01, no? Radius, no? Overall, diameter is 0.02. Okay. So we will measure, no? 0.02. Okay, no? Then the height of the rod is 0.30, no? EXT, enter, select, enter, 0.3, no? Enter. CO, enter, click, and then position class, no? Properly click. Okay. So next challenge is here class, no? We will position that one, no? So you just copy, no? CO, then here, click that one, and then position, no? Position at the bottom, no? Then at the center, no? Here. Rather midpoint, no? Okay, that's the icon, no? Magnet midpoint. Click, enter. Okay. So we will no? Compare with the class. No? You can type viewports, no? Then 2 vertical, okay, no? Then here, click here, set to top, and then we can check, no? Okay, its distance from the edge is 0.22 class, no? There, no? From here, going here, that's 0.22. Go back to 3D. So we have the idea na, no? Okay, we will select the whole object. Press M, enter. Click that one, and then to the side, no? Going left, no? 0.22, no? Enter. Okay. Viewports. Single, okay. So we have this one na class, no? Object na, no? So the next part is no? Siya atong i-position there is sidewalk, no? So the distance is 3.62, no? From the edge, no? Side of the sidewalk then to the side of the pedestal. So we will no? We will create a line, no? Again, that's 3.62. So L, enter, click, going to the left, no? 3.62, no? Enter, enter. Then we will position, select M, enter, click that point, and then click there. Okay, L, enter, no? Find the no? Find the class edge, no? Okay. Click on that part, and then going to the right, no? Okay. Next is select, no? CO, enter, no? Click that point, no? This one class, not this line. Click the midpoint, then position here. Midpoint also class, then enter, no? Erase the lines, no? Okay. We have no? Not copy this one, no? CO, enter, no? This will be our reference. Enter. Okay.